happy precision approach path indicator. So 2 reds and 2 whites is on glide path. You get 3 reds, you're below the glide path. You get 3 whites, you're above the glide path.
Is that based on weather?
No, it's based on the angle of the approach.
Oh.
Tell you whether you're on the path or whether you're a little bit too high or a little bit too low.
Should come out real well.
Neither of you guys had to fish, right?
Nice job, Chris.
100 above.
Just
We're not on the
tweak
ground
it
yet.
just down, just a nudge, just a little bit. Okay, that's enough.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Now, if you're looking
Minimum.
outside, okay, look down the runway.
50.
Start a little flare. Okay, that's enough.
30.
Pull the thrust
20.
levers off.
Retard. Retard.
Just hold what you got.
Retard.
Hold what you got. Okay, flaps 1. That's good. Take that and go to toga. And rotate. Positive rate. Go ahead and call it for gear up.
Gear up.
Put yourself right up into that flight director bar. Otherwise, go liable to overspeed the flaps. A little bit more.